Kenya. I want us to begin with the CAF Champions League fixture that we have this weekend that will be played here in the country. And FKFPL champions, that is Gor Mahia's head coach, Leonardo Martins Neva, has called on Gor Mahia fans to turn up in large numbers on Sunday and support their team as they take on Ahyl from Egypt. Now, remember, Ahyl are the CAF Champions League defending champions. So, Leonardo says that he needs the 12-man support on Sunday.
Everybody knows that Ahyl is the top club of Africa. It's number one according to the CAF ranking. But it's football, you know. It's 11 against 11 over here. But we should push ourselves, you know, to try maintain the high level of football, to be able to play against them over here. Because it don't make sense just play to play. We should try the win or win. Because over there, you know, over there is not so easy for us away. That's why you should play over here very, very well to be able to, you know, to make the decision away. You know, that's why for us over here we think about the win, the game. It's not easy, but we should do. It's a big game for us, a challenge. That's why we, Gor Mahia team, we support. We request for their support. You know, they came like an extra player for us for sure. I hope this stadium can be completely full this Sunday. You know, because I know that in Egypt they are going to do like that.
Well, that is Gor Mahia coach Leonardo Martins Neva calling on Gor Mahia fans to turn up in numbers and give them the 12-man support as they take on African giants.